day 2. Get in the car after the wife has driven it. Then had to go and charge the car because there was no battery in it. Thankfully the charger was 100 kilowatt for my small Nissan Leaf, which charged in about 20 minutes, so it was really quick and I was on my way. Found a leak that was running through the house, or the back door at least anyway, I haven't looked at the front door, and big cracks at the back with the tar / concrete, and going to rip all this out and replace it with a damp proof tar membrane kind of paint. Not sure if that's the correct way to do it, but I just want the leak to stop completely. And the old house underneath is wooden and it's been covered in this PVC before my time as ownership, so I will let the new owners know once I do sell, after everything is fixed. And on to day 2, properly on the rip out of inside. Now the stuff that's underneath the floor is loft insulation. It's probably the stuff you're meant to use or not, but every time you do cut it up it makes an absolute mess and gets into your lungs pretty bad, even when wearing a mask. So I had to keep stopping after every couple of sections of wood. Now, given I'm not a DIY expert, as you can see with my circular saw skills, this is more than happy for me. I will happily do the bare minimum each day, as long as I'm happy with what's coming out. And the wall that's behind where I'm cutting, they're only stud partition walls, but I don't want them to fall down anyway, so I have been patching them up. And once I do build the floor, I'm going to build each room separate to the floor with the walls with their own supports. So if anything like this happens again, you can rip out one floor section without having to rip up the whole house. As you can see, once the living room floor is lifted up, it's now into the small cupboard. And so we had to lift all that up as well, because again that's still the joining floor, and every good bit of timber I see, there's rotten timber underneath it. And now again, so I will end the video here. I'm going to give a little bit of a clean up and I will start again with a day 3 shot. And apologies, these videos are a little bit slow and behind, but this is my day 2 footage. And if you do like and share these videos, it would be appreciated.